Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to craft the Gamer or the RGB version of Omega Kerfur. So this one doesn't really require anything special, it just requires you to spend the money to put together 3 Kerfurs, and if you're having trouble getting the extra radioactive capsules, I recommend you go to another save, grab the freebie that's out past one of the transformers that's buried next to a skeleton, and just put it into your mailbox and send it to yourself. It's a lot quicker than going to the mine and manually building extra radioactive capsules this way. So with that in mind, when you're making a variant of Kerfur, you have to have the Kerfur Omega manual or recipe available and on your table, or else all it's going to want to do is break them down into a bunch of random Kerfur parts. So once you've got all 3 of them, you can just hover over here with the manual on the table with them, and you can just plomp them into Gamer Kerfur. And that's it. Now you have the most expensive Kerfur in the game. Congrats. So yeah, that's it. If you want to build other similar versions of Kerfur, there's a bunch of different versions, including a Keith version, which is just the one that looks all janky and broken. You just slap them on the table, and then you can, once you've got all the other Kerfur parts, make sure you've got the manual. You can put this other color on the table too, and make a Kerfur. The trick is having the manual handy. So anyway, hope you found that helpful. This has been how to make Gamer Kerfur Omega. And honestly, a lot of the other color variants, which I might make a tutorial on how to make them as well. But until then, I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.